Howdy, my name is Charles Clark, and this is my Make Your Own Force assignment. And I decided to do my force assignment over a specific interaction rather than the typical talk about all the many interactions that go into making a forest. Um, I thought overall, before I took this class, I thought I had a good idea of what a forest was, but in reality, I just had a great idea of all the individual parts and not the specifics of all the relationships of the different pieces that go into making a forest. I think this class has really helped me understand the intricacies of the small interactions that really bring a forest together. And the interaction and something that I wanted to talk about in my project is going to be coevolution. It was one of the things I found most interesting. I thought it was fascinating how two species can evolve along with one another to become completely codependent on each other in the modern day. For example, in class, we talked about lodgepole pines and crossbill birds, about how the birds develop their um, really bizarre crossover beak to help them safely retrieve seeds from lodgepole pine cones. Um, Not all examples of coevolution are this specific. All flowers and pollinators are technically coevolution. There are countless examples of relationships between different pieces of a forest. And what a lot of people don't tend to think about is the importance of their history and how they became so dependent on one another. Here are the sources for my images.